Over 15 years ago, Hitachi Metals Automotive Components built its Lawrenceville, Pennsylvania casting foundry around their two DISA molding machines, the 2013 Mark V-B and the 2070 Mark II-B. Their two DISA shot blast machines have since been retrofitted and are currently maintained by Wheelabrator Plus, providing Hitachi Metals Automotive Components with the perfect blend of service and quality from two of the best in the business. With a customer base including BMW, Ford, and Honda, the complex automotive castings coming out of this building have to be perfect every time. Let's take a look at how DISA and Wheelabrator Plus are working together to help HMAC lower their cost per casting and keep their business running strong.
We make ductile iron suspension parts for the automotive industry, safety suspension parts, both knuckles and lower control arms, and strictly safety parts, so they're a very critical need.
In the market that we're in, we are very, very busy right now. As the maintenance manager, I lead our team of maintenance technicians and maintenance electricians to basically keep this plant running as efficiently as we can keep it running.
For us, we run two vertical molding lines. For us, we run mold speeds in the area of excess of 200 molds per hour and excess of 300 molds per hour on our various molding machines. They run a wide variety of parts, even though we are strictly in the safety suspension parts for automotive. It's a wide variety of ranges. We tax our machines to the limit. For us, what that means is we run a very aggressive sand to metal ratio, and these machines support us very well from the sealing process, from the mold indexing process, and from keeping things moving continuously. So they've been very, very good for us. I'm very excited about the new blast wheel style. Our maintenance manager is very excited about it also. We feel it'll bring a lot more reliability to our equipment, a lot better use of our shot material. This facility here, we spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a year on shot, so we like to use the shot very wisely.
The easy fit wheels will make our machines more efficient, and it's going to cut down our maintenance time, and it's going to also increase our uptime for running these machines. The way I've explained it in the past, that this facility, as all foundries, operated as a log chain, and one piece of equipment, one shaker, one molding machine, one blast, if any of these components go down, it takes every machine down, and there's many, many links to the chain, so it's crucial that every piece of equipment works together.
For the equipment from the DISA molding machines and the Wheelabrator inline blast, the reliability and uptime has been very strong. We're now in a period where our backlog is very significant. We have just come off a period of 3 and 4 months running 19 days consecutively, which in the foundry is not the best thing in the world to have to go through. So the reliability of equipment is very, very important. What we do like on both the molding machines and the Wheelabrator inline equipment is we very, very strongly enjoy the schematics, how easy it is to work on the piece of equipment, how easy it is to follow the drawings and outlines on the piece of equipment. So if we do have any issues at all, it's easy to go into the machine and do some root cause analysis and find exactly what is wrong.
Their service is bar none the best that I've ever dealt with in any industry that I've worked in. And those guys, at any time we're working on one of these machines and we get to a point where we're really not sure, we'll get a hold of the service manager, or even we've gone right to calling the service techs out in the field. We have all their numbers too. There's been many a times that we've called them and they'll talk us through it. We have a TOPS program agreement with DISA. We've been doing that for as many years as I've been here, and those service guys go through our machines with a fine-tooth comb, give us a very extensive list of things we need to look at and what kind of time frame we need to look at and what time we need to change parts. Seems kind of funny, but it's priceless to us because with that TOPS visit, we look forward to it. I know my technicians that work on these machines, they always have a list ready for the service guys when they come in here, whether it be questions or things they want them to particularly look at. It's something they've been having an issue with. It's certainly, there's really no way to put a value onto that.
There again, our machines have produced over 14 million molds. They've been running very long, for many, many years, and we run a very busy facility here, so the uptime is very important to us. The key to any manufacturing facility is having a reliable and predictable equipment. Our maintenance department at our facility is a nice large department, and we expect good reliability and uptime, and we have that and achieve that, and a big part of that success has been with our OEMs supporting us and driving us in the right direction.
With an ever-present attention to detail, unwavering customer support, and unmatched expertise, DISA and Wheelabrator Plus are working together to keep Hitachi Metals automotive components at the highest levels of quality, keeping motorists safe and their business thriving, lowering your cost per casting. Just another way how DISA and Wheelabrator Plus are shaping the industry of the future.